Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with the Xiaomi Smartband 9 Active. And on this video, we are going to compare this new wearable from Xiaomi with the REDMI Smartband 2. If I'm not mistaken, the REDMI Smartband 2 is the last fitness tracker from the company REDMI, a sub-brand of Xiaomi that is affordable. It's the most affordable fitness tracker from the company. Okay, and now we have a new one, the Smartband 9 Active. It is not the REDMI Smartband 3 or the Xiaomi Smartband 3, but rather a Band 9 Active. But as you can see here, it almost have the same style with our REDMI Smartband 3. On this video, we are going to compare the design as well as the offered features. So if you are interested to see the difference between the two fitness tracker, watch this video. And again, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Alright, so let's begin and compare the two fitness tracker. Again, what we have here is the Xiaomi Smartband 9 Active, and the other one is the REDMI Smartband 9 2. Okay, so let's check. So they almost have the same style. Even though this was released several years ago, still they almost have the same style of packaging. So let's check. We have here the features. 1.47 inch. So the same screen display size as you can see here. It's also TFT. We also have advanced sleep monitoring, all-day heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen monitoring, so the same. 30 sports mode here for our Smartband 2, while for our Active it's around 50. So there are 20 plus. 18 days battery life, 14 days battery life for the REDMI. Okay, so when it comes to the screen display, they almost have the same, or they have the same size, but I guess the brightness is different. 580 mAh waterproof rated. Okay, so the same. So here's the Smartband 9 Active, and here's the REDMI Smartband 2. Okay, so before we check on the design, let's check on the weight of the wearable. Let's check. We still have, yes, still have battery. Almost 30 grams, 29. For the REDMI Smartband 2, we have 26 grams only. So very lightweight. Again, double check. So 26, 27. Okay, just see, shy of 3 grams. Okay, so again, let's have a side-by-side comparison. So which do you think is better? I guess I like the look here of the Xiaomi Smartband 9 Active compared to the REDMI Smartband 2. For the thickness, so the same or a bit thick for the Smartband 9 Active. At the back, we do have the charging cable, still the same type of charging cable, and they almost have the same back cover here as you can see. So let's remove the strap. Alright, so I removed the strap here to show you the body frame, the actual body frame of the REDMI Smartband 2, and we have here the Xiaomi Smartband 9 Active. So just press. As you can see here, we do have a flat body frame, plastic. So different style of the body frame. So a rubber strap, this one for our Smartband 9, it is plastic. Okay, whole plastic here. aside from the body frame. So as you can see here, they almost have the same body size. Let's check on the thickness here. Not including the sensor, so it is around 8mm or 10mm. How about this one? Okay, the same, 9mm for our Redmi Smartband 2. Okay, so here's the design. So which is better, do you think, when it comes to the design? Same screen display size. Okay, for the overall specs dimension, going to list the dimension here for both wearable on the side, as you can see here, as well as the screen display. Okay, I'm not going to put back the strap. Okay, so let's check on the menus and features here. Okay, so after checking on the dimension as well as the screen display, let's proceed with the UI. I'm not going to put back the strap anymore. So let's go directly with the UI. So on top we have the notifications. Let's see. Yes, the same. On the bottom part we have the menus and features. Here on the left side, so we have the options for the smartwatch here, including the settings. Here for our Redmi Smartband 2, we have cards. Okay, the same with the left side or right side. How about here? Let's see. Okay, cards also. The modules. To access the main menu, swipe up. Okay, as you can see here, so we do have the workouts, activity tracking, daily statistics, sleep monitoring, blood oxygen. We almost have the same features here, just different layout or positioning of the features. The brightness here is much better. Let's see later on if we adjust the screen. We have the weather, music control. We also have it here. Yes, we have the camera, just different icons but the same features. We have alarm, stopwatch, find phone, timer, and the settings. For the settings, let's see. So let's adjust the brightness. For the settings here, the style, we have the display. The style is the watch face. Auto lock, cover to sleep, raise to wake. So there's additional options for our Smartband 9 Active. On back, we have the do not disturb mode. We have battery, vibration, pin, and we have the system here and about. Okay, do not disturb mode, we also have it here. We don't have, as you can see, we don't have a vibration here. Okay, so that's the changes. Find phone, timer again, alarm, camera, music controls, it's almost the same here. We do have events, weather, stress, sleep, blood oxygen. We have the heart rate and statistics, activity, that is history. We have workout. Okay, so they almost have the same features here, just a few changes. And of course the hardware is different also. I'm pretty sure about that. It is now much faster, more precise, and of course there's the changes on the brightness for the screen display. Much brighter for our Xiaomi Smartband 9 Active. Do they track the same metrics? Let's see. We have the time, the distance, the pace, calories here, cadence, step monitoring, average pace. The same. Okay. Seems like it's just the same wearable here. Okay. So just an improvement on the design with a new addition on the features. And of course, I'm pretty sure also that there's a very huge improvement on the sensor for our Xiaomi Smartband 9 Active compared with our REDMI Smartband 2. Okay, so that's it for the difference between our Xiaomi Smartband 9 Active and of course our REDMI Smartband 2. Just a minor difference when it comes to the features. I guess the changes here is more on the brightness for the screen display. I guess the resolution also. It says on the screen, on the promotional images, it is much smoother with its 60 Hz and precise sensor for its health and activity tracking. Again, if you have any questions regarding these smartwatches or these fitness trackers, okay, the smartband, not smartwatches but smartbands, drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if you do have the time. Bye.